Hi guys, welcome back to
JJ Gamer.
Wow, you sound so sad.
Because
Okay, today, well, let's start with yesterday. Yesterday was my birthday, and I turned 10. And then,
that's how they have the balloons in the background.
and I got squishies. Lots and lots of
right there.
squishies. And here's one of them. It's very squishy. Banana.
A very squishy banana. Alright, we are just going to be showing off regular squishies this whole video, maybe a part of a vlog. Next video, like right after this. And then maybe a little stuffed animal shortcut. Maybe a little stuffed animal.
Or spoof.
Maybe a little stuffed animal after video.
Okay, off topic. Let's go.
Okay, first squishy
This
is
is actually that's second.
this one.
Okay.
Well, whichever one I grab with this.
Well, actually, I'm sure.
It doesn't matter.
Here's the unicorn.
Then got a unicorn squishy.
And I keep it in there. I took it out and put it back in multiple times. And here it is.
I feel it. Oh wow. It's like a normal squishy.
And
hopefully it smells like rainbows.
this smells really good.
Oh, wow.
This smells weird. It smells like chemicals.
What the? Next one.
I mean, we might be doing king court. The court, whatever it's called. Squishy court.
And then we have an owl. Very squishy.
Yeah. Okay, this is how you do it. You go like that, and then you put down here. Okay?
Very squishy.
He'll be grabbing it, and I'll be squishing it. You should say the vac. You shush. Sorry about my
You
grammar.
sushi.
The vac is like less detail, but it's like easier to see it. Super slow rising. These are mostly slow rising squishies.
Mostly.
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 We have a penguin. And it's like really weird where they painted at. The black is like super.
What does its butt smell like?
It smells like weird. It smells really weird, but it has a scent to it.
What?
It
That's weird.
it smells like Play-Doh.
It does. I don't get it.
Okay,
Why is
ready?
my ass so big?
What?
Okay, next one.
Wait. Oh, it's super.
Happy birthday.
What's so big?
My arm is so big. Happy birthday to you.
This one's super squishy. Wait, I'll put it down. Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Here's a strawberry cake. And it has 6, if I can see on the camera, 6 squishies. 6 squishies.
Squishy
It
strawberries.
has 6 squishies. I mean, 6 squishy strawberries. Or
Yes.
6.
What are you trying to say?
I don't know anymore. 6 strawberries on it. I'm sorry about that noise. It is our vacuum. It's our robot vacuum that can move by itself.
And it's very annoying.
Yeah. Sorry you cannot hear us. We'll probably be yelling this whole time because I could not even hear myself.
I can hear myself.
Okay, what's next?
Up next, we have
Sorry about that. One of my favorites. We're going to end off with my favorite, Jack. You know which one's my favorite.
yes, a cheeseburger. It's very squishy, very slow rising.
Wait, ready?
Takes like an hour to rise.
1 second, guys. Ready? Ready? And it sort of smells like bread.
I don't get it. I don't get why it smells like bread. But the after smell is like a weird strawberry flavor.
It smells like bread
Versus strawberry.
with milk. You
Bread
got
with
it?
milk?
Yeah, do you like sort of get the milk smell?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's
Weird. That's just weird.
It's a little kitty.
Okay, next we have,
The idling peach.
yes, with a big fat booty.
You cannot be saying that.
It does.
Okay, we'll show this part then.
Then it has a,
It has like an ombre right here.
yes,
And then here's the leaf.
yes, then there's the leaves.
This is very rare. And all these squishies are like $5 to $10.
So they're very cheap. Next up, we have some fries to go with that cheeseburger that was showed earlier. Fries to go with the cheeseburger.
We just went to McDonald's, so here we go.
Yeah,
Just kidding, we did not just go to McDonald's, but
I wish we did.
it'd be funny. I wish we did for breakfast, but I had waffles. I haven't ate. I just went down.
You just came down here.
Okay, so this is very soft and squishy. Oh, I forgot to tell you how soft the other ones were. But this one's super smooth. Okay, next one.
Okay, next up. Sorry about that, guys. We have Mr. Strawberry.
This one is like super squishy, but not that polarizing. It gets a little dense in the middle, like right here it gets dense. There we go.
Roll out your hand.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, I can keep going.
Pineapple.
This thing won't work. Okay, pineapple.
We have a pineapple.
This top is very dense and not that squishy. And this is like really, really squishy, but not that polarizing. Like this one. Let's do the yellow part versus green. Wait,
Yeah, green loses.
what?
Green loses.
No?
Oh wait, green wins.
Yeah, I'm so surprised because the top isn't that squishy. Okay.
Ready for the
While
next one?
he's getting it, we'll put you over here and see how much squishies I have over here right now. That we just showed you.
We got a cake.
Got cake.
Cake slice.
This one's very dense. Like, the top isn't, but like here, because it's just such a small piece. See, like, do you see this? That's how I'm gonna like. And then there's nothing. There you go. That's
How many squishies do you have?
15. Oh, right here is 15 plus my other 3 that I don't have right now is 15, 18.
Well, actually, the other 3 are in there. Okay, let me just grab them.
No, not those. No, I'm talking about my
other
watermelon, my
ones.
milk.
Okay.
You have 2. This one is like so soft and squishy. Ready?
Oh, and it's very smooth. Like, very.
That's what this shiny piece is. This piece of plastic on it. That was something wrong with squishy. Now it's on my finger.
I look like that.
This?
No, when you're like,
Not in it. Okay, we're
it
good.
fell off the.
Yes.
Fell off. It was like, tinkle, tinkle, tinkle.
Okay, I'll be putting this back into its original packaging.
And then, let's move on to the next one.
Oh, I'm going to show you guys how it squishes inside the packaging.
You can squish them inside the packaging.
I'll show you this one again.
fine.
It looks cooler.
Okay, I gotta show you how many squishies we already
I
opened.
just showed them.
Over.
Okay.
And we only. That's how many squishies we've already showed off. That's a lot.
My arms are tall.
And
Really.
then we have.
So, oh, this is a very rare squishy. So, this is a very rare squishy. Oh, and then this is it's called license at the bottom. You can,
They can see it.
it's right here.
Tell us if you can see it in the comment section down below.
I can't barely even see it now either. So,
Let me see.
do you see
Let me
it?
see.
there?
Let me see. I see it.
I lost it. Where is it?
It's in the
right
middle.
there. There's right. Oh, there we go. Let's have.
There we go. It's right there. I
That's
know
licensing.
it would say it backwards for you, but for us, it says it the right way. So
Or it just, we don't know.
good luck figuring that out.
I don't even know what it says. And
Me
here's
neither.
Millie the whale. Super soft, super cute, and the belly is adorable because it has a little heart as its belly. And I
It's
call
actually
it narwhal.
keep on forgetting. Narwhal?
I call it the unicorn of the sea because it has a horn. It's like a unicorn of the sea. It's Millie the whale of the unicorn of the sea. Okay, next squishy. Sorry, I'm being a little awkward. Next squishy. Okay. We have one more after this. This one's super smooth and super squishy. Right here is super squishy. Ooh. His head is like really big. He literally looks like a giant shaped brownie. Like if you just look at this, he looks like a brownie gumball or like a giant chocolate thing. Okay.
Last one. Bum. Ba-da-ba-bum. This is Megan's favorite.
And it won.
The contest of who is most slow rising.
That we just did before this video.
Yes. And then I grabbed my iPad and did the video. But first I had to go up to the
It's
room.
so soft and smooth.
But then first I had to
and
go up to our
squishy.
room and grab my robe. So then we can make the video.
Okay, because he's not wearing the shirt. Okay. So, it's still rising. Are you serious right now? You should just do like the ears now.
It looks painful.
Painful?
Yes.
It's just a squishy check.
It's smiling too. Why is it smiling?
Click that.
What's that?
There. That's how you make the shape of the mouth.
That's creepy.
Hello? Alright.
Reagan, you're being creepy right now.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.